I'm not eating the orange one again.
I'm gonna pick one last one for her to do.
Why don't I pick?
Nope, you're gonna do another one of these. And if it's mango, then you have to do another one. You have to eat the whole thing. That's only half of it.
Vomit!
Come on, you can do it, Gabby. Just keep chewing. Chew like you mean it. Okay, you done it. And now I'm gonna do one as a good sport. I'm going to do this one.
Of course, because that's the less worst one. I'm gonna do the skunk one.
Oh.
Ugh.
I can't really tell. I think it's toothpaste.
I like baby wipes.
That's not baby wipes. No.
Yeah, it is.
Baby wipes is white.
Oh, that's right.
Ooh, I have a good challenge.
It's bubblegum.
No, it's Tutti Frutti.
Tastes like bubblegum.
Okay, when you're done with that, I have one last challenge for you.
I don't know.
And I will give you the rest of my Takis from the
Those
bag.
are old.
No, they're still good.
Okay, what? Eat all of them?
Or do you want to just do one of each of them?
No, all of them.
All of them?
I will
At
eat
the
all
same
of them.
time?
Yes.
Okay, so you have to swallow it. All of it.
Oh, I will.
Okay.
For Takis?
Okay. So there is 2 skunk spray, 2 dog food, 2 rotten eggs, 2
Vomits.
and 2 boogers. Some of them might be good, some of them might be bad. You have to do this, Gabby, and look straight at the camera with vigor.
Licorice. Popcorn.
You have to eat all of them at the same time.
I am. Look.
Oh, jeez. Oh, that smells so bad. It smells like jalapenos.
I don't taste the vomit.
Go up closer. But not that close, but... Tell me what your thought process is.
Jalapeno. Licorice.
You can swallow bunches of it at a time if you need to.
Egg. And I'm done.
What?
Champion, baby. Where are your Takis?
She gets her prize. I'll be back 1 second. There's still a good amount of them in there.
Now I need this to wash it back down.
Okay, now you can scoot back over there.
Ah.
Okay, Gabby is crowned the champion of Bean Boozled. She ate one of each of them all at once. Well, half of them, but still. She ate wait, not one of each. What am I saying? She ate all of the rest. That was like 12 beans at once. Everyone give her a round of applause.
Oh, that's hot.
Gabby's crowned the queen of Bean Boozled. Everyone, give her another round of applause because she deserves it.
Another round. Let's go.
Oh, I guess
Time
that's
for me to go.
okay. Well, enjoy your treat, Gabby.
I will.
Oh my god, that's 30 minutes long.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, so after that insane ending, well, that's just something. For someone to eat that many beans all at once is insane. And she deserves a prize, which I gave to her. But still, holy crap. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this insane video. I wanted to be a good sport because I felt really bad to make her eat all the rest of my bag. Which was like 75% of the bag. I'm sorry, Gabby. But, yeah. That's pretty much all I have to say. Make sure to like and subscribe because this girl went through so much today. I mean, she deserves it. She deserves.
I went through vomit, skunk, egg, and much more.
And much more. Yeah.
And baby wipes, which is good.
Baby wipes is actually okay.
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you liked it, like it and subscribe to me because I'm fabulous. And this girl because she's just amazing. Bye! Okay, here's a paw.